3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hey everybody, welcome to the M1 Gear channel. We're getting ready to set up for a green screen shoot here tomorrow, and we have a teleprompter that we just ordered and it showed up. So we figured since we need the teleprompter tomorrow for our production, we might as well open this guy up, do a little quick unboxing here for the IKAN PT-ELITE-PRO TK. You get all that? The IKAN PT-ELITE-PRO TK Teleprompter. All right. It's nice, comes in the shipping box there. Nice plastic bag here, protect, looks like a very pretty case. It's looking pretty good. It's got two handles on the sides. Makes it really easy to pick up. It's not too heavy. And also on the top here, really nice top handle. These handles seem to be coated in rubber. They have really good grip to them. Feel nice in the hand. Don't feel like you're going to drop that. It looks like we also have a great slider here and some wheels. Look at that, no problem. You can wheel that around. Piece of cake. So let's take a look on the inside. Now in this case, it looks like we have a couple of sets of hardware. Let's start taking all these things out here. And we'll go ahead and open up that plastic. Get that going. Let's see. Go ahead and open up this other hardware here. See what all that is. A few Allen wrenches. Set that up in a second. We have a mounting plate. The camera's going to go right there on the top. Also here on the side is some rail mounting points, and that's going to go out and hold the glass and the iPad in front of the camera. Really thick piece of foam on the top here, which is nice. It's right underneath that. Ooh, that's tight fit. Look at that. See one way, not the other, right? That is a pretty solid piece of glass, I gotta say. No fuzz on it, but looks to be in really nice shape. It's very heavy duty, I gotta say. It's a little heavier than I thought it would be. Yeah, that's got some weight to it. That's nice. Well, there's our instruction manual. Here, we'll get very simple. Looks like two sheets of paper stapled together. And there's two blank pages and a page and a half. I feel there's some missed opportunity there for a little more information possibly. Well, we'll see. It is pretty simple setup though. All right, we got, oh look at that. Underneath there we have a really nice lens hood. What is that, velvet? That's very soft. Yeah, that goes around the camera. Yeah, this is great. We have an old IKAN teleprompter we've been using for over a decade. Things worked like a champ, but we thought it was time to upgrade and get something new. We've just been using it too frequently. This would be the iPad support holder. What else? Underneath, there's in here, if you can see from above, there's actually a couple of spots in the case for the rods, for the mounting rods. Kind of nice. Everything's almost has its place. We'll see what that does in a second. So what comes in the PT-ELITE-PRO TK Teleprompter from IKAN? All right. Well, we have ourselves one glass assembly. Comes with the plate. One magnetic hood. Ooh, magnetic. That sounds pretty cool. Two 12-inch rods. The base plate assembly, where we mount everything to, including our camera. the large tablet holder, the large tablet mount, and then our hardware for mounting the equipment together, and then the hardware to hold the iPad to the support plate. Next, we'll have to figure out how to put it all together, but that is the unboxing for the IKAN ELITE-PRO TK Teleprompter. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the M1 Gear channel, and we'll see you next time.